Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a trip down automotive history and diving deep into the classic 1980 Holden Commodore. This particular model is finished in a stunning sand color, both on the exterior and interior, giving it a timeless and elegant appearance. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast, a collector, or simply someone who appreciates iconic Australian cars, this review is for you. We're going to cover everything from the exterior and interior design to performance and pricing, so stick around for the full ride. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The 1980 Holden Commodore is a perfect example of late 70s and early 80s Australian automotive design, blending simplicity with subtle aggression. The sand-colored paint on this model exudes a warm, understated elegance, making it stand out without being flashy. The front end features a clean grille design, flanked by rectangular headlights that were standard for this era. Chrome accents around the grille, bumpers, and window trims add a touch of classic luxury. The side profile showcases the Commodore's long, low stance. The gently curved roofline flows seamlessly into the rear deck, giving the car a balanced and proportionate appearance. Classic steel wheels with chrome hubcaps maintain the period-correct look while enhancing the car's retro charm. The clean lines along the doors and fenders reflect Holden's attention to subtle design details, giving the Commodore a timeless appeal even decades later. At the rear, the Commodore features simple yet effective styling, with horizontal taillights integrated into the bumper area. The trunk lid is wide and functional, and chrome trim along the rear bumper complements the overall design. This car isn't about flashy styling. It's about understated elegance and a design that has aged gracefully over time. Interior. Stepping inside the 1980 Holden Commodore is like entering a nostalgic time capsule. The sand-colored interior provides a cohesive, classic feel that perfectly matches the exterior. The dashboard features a simple and functional layout. The analog gauges are easy to read, with a speedometer, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, and tachometer directly in front of the driver. Controls for the air conditioning, heater, and ventilation are straightforward and tactile, reflecting the design philosophy of the time, simplicity and ease of use. The seats are upholstered in soft vinyl, which was common at the time, and the front bucket seats are supportive and comfortable for both short trips and long drives. Rear passengers enjoy a spacious bench seat with ample legroom for a car of this era. The steering wheel is large, offering a solid grip, and the center console provides a small storage compartment along with a classic gear shifter for the manual or automatic options. The sand-colored interior, paired with chrome accents and black trim, creates a warm and inviting cabin. Even today, this interior retains a sense of luxury, despite its minimalistic design. Attention to detail is evident in the stitching, trim alignment, and overall build quality, showing that Holden focused on durability as much as style. The Commodore is not only a classic in design but also in craftsmanship, making it a pleasure to sit in and drive. Performance. Under the hood, the 1980 Holden Commodore delivers solid performance for a car of its era. The base model typically came with a 1.9-liter four-cylinder engine, providing reliable and efficient power for daily driving. Enthusiasts could also opt for larger 6-cylinder or V8 engines, delivering significantly more horsepower and torque. The V8, in particular, made the Commodore a favorite for those who wanted a more spirited driving experience. The car's transmission options included both 4-speed manual and 3-speed automatic, catering to different driving preferences. While the handling may not match modern standards, the Commodore feels stable and predictable on the road, with a suspension setup designed to balance comfort and control. Driving the 1980 Commodore is a nostalgic experience, offering a direct and connected feel that today's highly computerized cars can't replicate. Acceleration is modest by today's standards, but the car's low weight and responsive engines make it enjoyable for classic car enthusiasts. The V8 models, especially, provide a satisfying growl and a burst of power that reminds you this is a car built for performance and enjoyment. Fuel efficiency varies depending on the engine, with 4-cylinder models being the most economical and V8s consuming more fuel, as expected for their era. Ride comfort in the 1980 Holden Commodore is surprisingly good for a car of its age. The suspension system, consisting of independent front suspension and a solid rear axle, absorbs road imperfections well, providing a smooth and composed ride. The seats are supportive enough for longer drives, and the cabin insulation, while basic, keeps road and engine noise at manageable levels. Handling is precise enough for city streets and country roads. The steering is heavier compared to modern cars, giving drivers a sense of control and connection to the road. Cornering at moderate speeds is stable, though it's important to remember that this car was designed with comfort and practicality in mind rather than aggressive performance. Overall, the Commodore offers a driving experience that is both engaging and relaxed, perfect for cruising and enjoying the classic car vibe. Pricing and value. Now, let's talk about pricing and value. The original price of a 1980 Holden Commodore varied depending on the model and engine options, but today, prices for well-maintained examples in excellent condition range between $15,000 and $30,000. AUD rare variants or fully restored V8 models can command even higher prices. When considering value, the Commodore offers a lot for classic car collectors. It's reliable, stylish, and holds historical significance as one of Australia's most iconic cars. Owning a 1980 Holden Commodore is not just about driving, it's about preserving a piece of automotive history. For enthusiasts, the combination of affordable pricing, nostalgia, and classic design makes this car a great investment and a joy to own. So, what's the final verdict on the 1980 Holden Commodore? This sand-colored classic proves that elegance, performance, and practicality can coexist in a car that's over 40 years old. Its understated exterior, comfortable sand-colored interior, and reliable performance make it a timeless choice for classic car enthusiasts. Whether you're a collector looking for a historically significant vehicle, or someone who simply appreciates the charm of a classic Australian car, the 1980 Holden Commodore delivers on all fronts. Driving it today offers a nostalgic experience, reminding us of an era when cars were simple, reliable, and designed to last. Thanks for watching this in-depth review of the 1980 Holden Commodore. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more classic car reviews, first drives, and automotive insights. Make sure to hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest uploads. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.